Excellency. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello. Eva, very pleased. Ah, wait, present.
We just discussed, it was a pleasure to meet the Minister this morning for an introductory call since I arrived a few weeks ago, and we simply discussed the shared interests between New Zealand and Timor-Leste, our long history of support for Timor-Leste, both with independence and now with development of the country and the economy and the people of Timor-Leste. And we also discussed our shared interests in multilateral institutions as small states. We would like the Foreign Minister to come at any time that he would like to.
Thank you. We have to say bye-bye. These ones between a great word.